Hola a todos, bienvenidos, hello everyone, welcome. I am Priyanka, yo soy Priyanka, tu profesora de español, your Spanish teacher. In this video, I am going to explain you all what is written accent mark or tilde in Spanish. First of all, you need to understand that in Spanish, one syllable of a word is usually louder than other. All words have a stressed syllable, but not all of them carry an accent mark known as tilde. So, when the stressed is not represented through a tilde, it is a prosodic accent. In Spanish, which is called acento prosódico, which means only pronounced, not written. For example, bonita, chocolate, ciudad. Now, to make this accent mark, we need to follow two rules. Now, rule number 1. If a word ends in a vowel or the consonants N or S, place the stress onto the next to the last syllable. For example, escuela, inteligente, joven, volumen. Now, rule number 2 is if a word ends in any letter beside the mentioned before, like vowels or N or S, then place the stress onto the last syllable. For example, papel, salud, mujer, nariz. Now, coming to the written accent or tilde. When a word does not follow one of these two rules, it will have a written accent on the syllable that is stressed. And in Spanish, that is called acento ortográfico. For example, café, lámpara, inglés, fácil, música, difícil. Now, apart from all these rules, you need to remember one more thing, which is very important, that if a one-syllable word has a written accent, it means that there is another word in the language that has the same spelling, but another meaning. For example, L without written accent mark, meaning is the. L with written accent mark, meaning is he. The same way, si, tu, say, all having the different meanings. Even if two-syllable word has a written accent, that does not affect the pronunciation. It means that there is another word that has the same spelling but a different meaning. Example, este without written accent mark, meaning is this. Este with written accent mark, meaning is this one. Same way, ese, that. Ese with written accent mark, meaning is that one. So if you follow all this rule, then you can be master in Spanish pronunciation. So keep practicing. Thank you. Gracias.